Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're going to be exploring Lone Oak campsites,
Okay.
using their 2025 brochure as our guide.
And that's good.
And hopefully by the end of this deep dive, we'll all know whether this is the perfect place to plan our next camping adventure.
All right, let's dive in.
So right off the bat, this place has some history.
It does.
Lone Oak Campsites has been family-owned and operated since 1964.
Yeah, that's right.
But I understand that the story actually goes back even further than that.
It does. It does. The land has actually been in the Brown family since Bucky Brown.
Oof.
Bought it for farming back in 1935.
So that's 90 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
90 years of family history woven into this place.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
So how did they go from a working farm to a campground?
Well, it's actually kind of a classic tale of adaptation and entrepreneurial spirit.
Okay.
The idea was actually sparked from a magazine article Bucky read about farmers diversifying their income. And he just saw the potential in the beautiful landscape and decided to transform those old tractor routes into camp roads.
That's kind of sweet.
Yeah.
It's amazing to think about those old farm roads now filled with campers seeking adventure.
Yeah, and while Lone Oak cherishes its history, they certainly aren't stuck in the past.
Okay, good.
In fact, this year, they joined the Modern America Campgrounds family.
Oh, what is that?
So this basically means they're part of a network that is committed to providing top-notch camping experiences, but with a focus on modern amenities and exceptional service.
So they've managed to blend that tradition with modern convenience.
Yeah,
That's got to be a hard balance to strike.
it is.
So tell me more about some of these modern amenities. What are we talking here?
Well, for starters, they offer Wi-Fi across the entire campground,
Oh, wow. Okay.
which is huge. And they also have a fantastic app.
Okay.
This app gives you access to everything: activity schedules, campground maps, real-time alerts, you name it.
It's like having a personal guide to Lone Oak right in your pocket.
Exactly. I love that.
Yeah, and if you're the type of person who likes to plan everything in advance,
Yeah.
You know.
Before you go, they've made that super easy too. It's very 2025. And it has links to everything: band listings, online, booking menus, brochures.
so you can really dive deep into all those details before you even set foot in the campground.
Exactly.
I love that.